There we go. Rightio. So that's good. So we're getting there. Let's now on this one here, where it's got Rise Training in the blue. Just bring your cursor underneath it. Actually, just refresh the screen first. Just refresh everything. It's on your bed. On the bed. Down here. No, this one. Rightio. So is that saying? Oh, it's active already. So there you go. So yeah. So bring your cursor underneath the blue where it says Rise Training. It's just underneath it, and then go duplicate for me. See how it's got duplicate? And you just go duplicate, just the blue button on the bottom right. Yeah.
And then send her a text message. Hi, it's Isla from Rise Training. Can you please give us a call regarding your course tomorrow? Yep, sorry, safe, back with you.
Okay, and so here, instead of saying test awareness, I want you to do test traffic. Just write test traffic instead of test awareness. And you don't need to have the copy there. Yeah, and just copy that because we're going to paste it onto the other bits as well. So yeah.
And where am I pasting it?
I nowhere yet. Just copy the. You've got the copy. That's okay. Sorry, I just had to call myself. So scrolling down a little bit, and then and this time you're going to click on traffic. So, yeah. Okay, continue. Yes, continue. And even though we duplicated half the time, we have to check everything is duplicated. So scroll down a bit further. Scroll down, and you don't want to spend $100 a day. Let's just do 3 again. So it's 6 altogether, and just click away. Yeah, or click and then scroll down. Scheduling, yeah, add scheduling. Keep going. Yeah, okay, that's the bottom. And then on the left-hand side, just go to the next one down that's got the 4 squares next to it. No, sorry, the second one down. Click on that. Yeah. Just the ad set. Just left click on it. Yeah. And now you can do your paste up the top where it's got replace that one with traffic. Yeah, and then scroll down, and the website's right. And then actually, what's that? Scroll up a little bit. What's it saying? Scroll up. It's saying website wasn't. Okay, yeah, scroll down. Okay, cool. Scroll down. Yep, and down and down. And we're going to end it next week again, same. Yeah, and then scroll down. And here we're going to, okay, click on more underneath locations. Is that where I no, scroll down. Scroll down a bit further. Go a bit further down, and we're going to go, well, here we go. It's already added. It has kept them in there. So, yeah, so we're going to, that's all right. Keep that in there, yeah, and scroll down. Yeah, that looks like it's everything. So that's all good. And then go further down the middle, yeah, everything else is okay there. And then I'll get you go to the third line down on the left, which is the ad. Yeah, click on that. All right, just paste that into the ad name again. Close that, make a carousel ad. Yeah. And then scroll down. And that's fine. And we're going to go, instead of having create ad, you're going to go choose an existing again. Use existing. Yeah. And close that. And then scroll down. It'll ask you to select which one. Well, it looks like it's already got it. That's the same one. Yeah, scroll down. It should already have the scroll down. Yeah. And book now is still there. That's all good. Yeah, scroll down. And that will all be the same. So we'll just go publish on the right.
So we're just doing 2 ads that are the same.
So this is just running the same. This is for awareness and traffic, basically, to tell people about your business. Just as the first thing was to see whether you could actually advertise. You can, right? So this one is just advertising for Rise Training.
Yeah.
So it appears that that's all going to be good. So if you want to hit publish on that. Yeah. And so the next thing that I can do is, as I said, if we can, so you can close all those and you'll see, actually, if you go on the top left-hand side, you can close that. Yeah, that one there. If you get rid of those blue selected up the top. And then on the left-hand side, click black on campaigns. Okay, and see, so just refresh that again.
Yep, just 1 second, Steve.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't need to call the other one. Like, check their online enrollment, check they've done 100%. If they have, just send the reminder text. If you search in my phone, there's a reminder text template there that'll make sense. Yep, sorry, back with you, Steve.
Yeah. So the next thing I think to do is, if you go to the website, are you able to show me what content you're looking to promote around? Did you say there's a specific course?
Yeah, so it's this course here. I don't know why. I should have to change that.
Where it says see courses, is it?
Yeah, so see courses.
Use it quicker back then.
So it is specifically this one here.
Yeah. So can I get you to copy that that detail, parents, and just so I kind of where I go. So just copy the parents and givers first aid $60, because what I'll do is I'll create a post, and I'll use a couple of the ones where the people are holding babies and things, and we do it like, maybe we do sort of as I said, I'll maybe animate it or something. So yeah, go back to Basecamp, yeah, and then just drop it underneath all this stuff. And then that way, once it's pasted, we can sort of edit. You know, you can tell me if you're happy enough with it. So I don't think we'd put. Well, we probably could put the price on it. $60 seems pretty reasonable, to be honest. So maybe we do put the fact that it's $60. So click on the. So if you go, course content is perfect for new parents, click on that one there. Yeah. So it doesn't take us to a specific page. It's just the link is actually online courses. So maybe just copy the online. Copy that online courses URL.
Yeah, that though will take you here, which unless people know to scroll down, I have to get Danielle to fix that. So maybe it's better off. Let me just check. No.
Actually, that enrolls okay. Yeah, actually, because normally I say I don't like it when it's enroll, but at least on your enroll here, it actually takes them to a sign up form, which is actually quite useful. So and you don't have to have too much on it. Hopefully the way it looks, at least, and they can also read it on the left hand side. I think in this case, let's use that. Yeah, so we'll take them to there. As I said,
if you want info on it, it's just like if you want to add some, like, this is what it.
Yeah, I don't like doing long form ads.
Yeah.
That often, mainly because people won't read them. I can, but again, if I know that it's there, we probably could do. It's a bit like, well, how much do you use? Because you don't want to sell it on the socials particularly. You want to sell it on the website realistically. So that's my sense to you. At least if I can see it in there. But as I said, it's people will spend it's almost the copy, the immediate copy, and the visual that's going to. Hence, we won't use that exactly the same visual either.
Yeah.
So I'll
I'll put this one in there
put
as
one
well.
there, so at least I can find the rest of the. I know the rest of the one, but I will take them to that sign up there, right? So, all right, I'll get you to
because this one just sort of sets it. This stuff here is what sets it apart from other courses specifically.
You
Anyway.
can copy that. Yeah, yeah. As I said, it in a way, particularly
It's
when
not
really
necessary.
weighty content, there's an element of it may penalise then in terms of the how
Yeah,
much
I'm not.
you know.
You're the one who knows.
So from an advertising perspective, we just want
Yeah.
to people then go, okay, well, there's a parents and kids course, awesome. You know what I mean? It's a bit like uh, and just putting money on it straight away gets it seen by the people. It's just sort of yeah. So even in that way, that's being a parent kid. So and then a fully online. Yeah.
I think that's worth having there.
How long? How long does the course take?
A couple of hours, but it's self-paced.
Oh, maybe put in brackets self-paced. Yeah. Um, should we call it? Should we say just $60, or
Yeah,
I think just
only $60.
yeah, only $60. Yeah, yeah, we'll break that up. All right, and then yeah, so I'll create. Yeah, don't even think it needs an exclamation. I reckon not you've put it there, but yeah, I reckon it's we'll still have other things. Yeah, I reckon that sort of should sell itself to a degree, right? Um, so what I might get you to do, so you can probably add this comment. So that just means I'll come up with as I said, a specific post around that, because that way you'll be able to see it, and we can pin it, and we'll know what pin. I think you'll do well. I think it'll be interesting just to see what numbers you get on that first little promotion we've just done. So, so yeah, at the bottom, if I can get you just to actually, will I do that yet, or do I? I just don't want to forget it. To tell you to do it. I want to try one more thing around. So you just go back to Basecamp, and as you said before, I want to go. Get you to go to the Facebook that's just next to Rise. Yeah, up there. Click on that. Yeah, and scroll down. So, sorry, on the left-hand side. Scroll down on the left. Your shortcuts. Just click on Rise Training again. I know it's just going to take you to the You just go get started. Yeah, and then on the left-hand side, just close that again. So in settings, just click on that. Click on linked accounts on the left-hand side. Let's just review this. This is I was getting excited, but this is what we've seen before, right? Just click on review connection. Yeah, scroll down, confirm. Yeah. Yeah.
Confirm?
Yeah. But I think this is where it says it needs to be in the business manager. Yeah, that's you. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the same. So just go done.
Yeah, that's because we removed Isabel as an admin.
Yeah, yeah. So let's go back to settings on the left-hand side then, because when we on that basis we need to, but she can't be removed as an admin because you've got admin. You know what I mean? So there's some way you're not signing in any other way because you still need to be in it as a person. So let's go. Just click on New Pages Experience again. So under Privacy. See Isabel is there, yeah. So she's
Yeah,
still.
but I think in the actual page, we removed her.
So this is in the page. So and then the other things we tried to do was the so the business account, which on the three dots on the right hand side where it says business account access, just what does that do? Anything? If you click on that, remove from business account. No, you cannot send a request to remove this first because it's already connected to another Instagram profile. Yeah.
I don't know how we removed, but anyway, we did.
Yeah.
And Mo.
I think the fact is that the new business manager that we tried creating, was never created.
Yeah.
So what the same issue so we don't know how
Yeah.
to get to that other that community manager that says we're that one there. See where it got? Click on the manage on the where it says manage there. What's that do? Scroll down. So let's go invite. Let's go invite Isabel Matthews. Well, that's only saying moderation though, and may as well invite me. See what happens as well. But so see how it's the Mel Rise that has full control. So that's the other one. So do you see that version? Might as well invite all of us. Let's do all of us. See what happens then.
Yeah.
It's only moderation, so I guess it probably doesn't mean much. But let's on your drop down now. Just click on that. Yeah. See all profiles. Go to see all profiles.
It's done this Saturday, Al. Yeah.
Yeah, and see where it's got switch accounts. Just click on your the other one. Click switch
Yeah.
accounts. Yep, click on that. And just yep, and then go to that. If you click on yourself, yep.
Next Saturday in the afternoon, we run later in the day, or
So you can probably
Can't remember
if
password.
you close
Close it.
just close that one and click on the Mel that's down. So you kind of got the two options that you go into. Close that one. You say click on the other Mel.
This one.
Yeah.
and as it's really only one day, you do the theory self-paced online.
You can probably send it to your phone number. Yeah.
Yep. 1 second.
Bear with me. Just one moment. And what is she want? She wants to put in next Saturday, but she doesn't know. Okay, you're explaining to her later. I'm trying to maybe sorry, 1 second, Steve.
Okay.
It's good. So Holly, how about enrolling to a class next Saturday? Yeah, sure. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So are you looking at doing a CPR refresher or full first aid or childcare? First aid including CPR, so that's $120. Yeah, we can apply a 20% discount there for you if you like. That'll bring it down to 96. Okay. And then what happens is if you decide to proceed, you make payment over the phone, and you choose the date that you'd like to come in to do your practical hands-on assessment. And then once you've chosen that date and time, we process your payment and then we send you a receipt. And then we also send you another email with instructions to complete the pre-course self-paced learning. So that's videos to watch and quizzes to do. And you do that before you attend. Then on the day you attend for about an hour and a half, and you do the practical skills. You attend for an hour and a half on the Saturday. Watch it. Yes, 90 minutes approximately. You watch all the videos, you take the forms online before you come in, and then you come in and we do the fun stuff, the hands-on stuff. Mm-hmm. Yeah, makes sense? So you can either choose a course online or you can do it over the phone with Ava now, it's up to you. Yeah. Certainly. Yes, that's fine. Tomorrow will be available after 1 p.m. Oh, super close. Yeah, super close. Yeah, walking distance. Great. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye. Sorry, Steve. So I'm not getting a digit. They didn't send me a text message. I haven't got a text message. We've sent a notification to your Z Fold. Check your.
Or what about your phone number ending 79?
Yeah, there's been nothing come through.
Click on didn't receive code, maybe. Text me a login code. Yeah.
Here we go. 096217.
So just close that box and type it in. Yeah.
096217. Submit code.
Save browser.
Yeah, which will be the one from what's his name, Ayla? The Guzman thing. Guzman?
Yeah.
Is that the one? Has that anything? Yeah, so they only got enrolled a few hours ago, but yeah, worth a call. Just touching base with you. Know you only enrolled today. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yep. Sorry, Steve. Go.
Yeah. Just like me on the top right, you'd have a notification, one of those 20 pluses, which will be an invite to as a community. Scroll down maybe a little bit. Should have come to you. Possibly not in. Actually, do a refresh, and see if yeah. Click on that again. I got one. So scroll down. So sometimes it just goes all over the shop in terms of when it puts it in there, though. So you got 4 days, a week ago, too. Here you go. There it is. Rice Training First Aid invited 6 minutes ago. Just accept that. Okay.
Maybe there's some of those notifications for Isabel buried in hers then, in that one. Anyway, sorry, go on.
Yeah, and then true. And then on the far right, let's click on in where you are. Sorry, click and change. Or actually, go just right in the search Facebook. Just go Rise Training. There it is. You can see it there. Click on that one. Yeah. And then you can just click in the middle, just go to it. Okay, and we're pretty much just going at it from, so on the left hand side, so manage your business across Meta. I don't know why, but yeah, we just want to go switch to Rise Training. You got 14 notifications for some reason. But yeah, what's that? What are they all about? You just go switch. Yeah. Yes.
And then you send a text.
Yeah. So then the same thing on the left-hand side, just to sort of test that same principle. You won't be able to do it, I doubt it, but anyway, just close that little box there. Yep. And then go settings on the left. And we'll do the new pages experience. Just click in there. You should just be this time just viewing it as Mel Rise You, as against the other. And scroll down, community managers. I wonder, people with task access, community managers. So community managers is different. Okay, so it's just then where was just click on settings on the top left again, just next to new pages experience. Just go settings, it go there, yeah. And we just go linked accounts. We'll just try one more time doing it as Mel rather than Isabel.
There should be like a blue ring binder folder down there somewhere. Yep, back with you, Steve.
Yeah, and then scroll down and just go review connection. As I said, we just have a crack at it.
Yeah.
Confirm. And confirm. And confirm. Go log in. Basically, what and go done. Yep. What you kind of confirmed today is that it's Isabel that has access to the ad account, and so effectively, at least now, there's part of that's something else I could tell them, right? I don't think Isabel has been included in any emails, so she's actually a key player, right? Effectively, you got two main emails. So the one you sign in is Isabel, and that Isabel is the one that has the ad account manager. And then there's Mel, which is your Mel at Rise Training, I think. So maybe just to be clear on that, let's go back to Basecamp for me in the left, yeah. And just scroll up where you had Minnie's or whatever it was, that email address here. That's it. So Miss Messi, you just after that equals has access to equals has access to Isabel, who Isabel Matthews, who can, we now know who can run Facebook and Instagram ads. Yeah. So I guess that's positive, because then if we could have, then we'd want to pull that ads into the business manager. But so, and then the other, so what's the email for the Mel, for the other Mel? So if you go back to Facebook over here, so click on, that there, and click on Mel Rise. And what's that? So that's got all your Meta personal details. Click on personal details on the left-hand side, maybe. I just closed that bit, yeah. Meta accounts, personal details, yeah. Is it maybe passwords and insecurity, maybe, or personal details? Click on personal details, but that's probably what it's showing at the moment. Oh, you go. So yeah, let's just copy that Mel Rise and that phone number. if you can. If you can't, you probably know them. But yeah, so
Okay.
just mel@risetraining.com.au.
You want me to type this in here?
You just type that the other Mel is the mel@risetraining.com.au, right? So other profile is mel@risetraining.com.au. It's just the relevance of that is that realistically any other email for you, it's not relevant for Facebook. They don't care, right? Other than the fact that where we were showing, you know how we've got all these other emails that are showing as well. The reality is you've got two personas. One was the Isabel Matthews, and then you've got this one, which is basically was what we're trying to get it under. So I think that's okay. If you go back to Basecamp, and you can just hit add this comment now.
Down the bottom.
Scroll down just go. Scroll. Sorry, there's a green button at the bottom where you just, I think a green or blue. There, green. Add this comment. Just hit that. Yeah, that's it. So that's done everything we needed to do. And to be quite honest, despite the fact that I don't have any access, at least you have access and have been able to. I was surprised that you've actually been able to do it to both Facebook. Normally, when we're running ads, I'm not chopping and changing ads very often anyway, right? So the reality is you're going to be able to. It just means what I think we do is let's get together half an hour next week if we can. I don't know, if you got half an hour, we'll just work out when we can do it, and then we can run. We can see how they worked. You can decide whether you want to keep them running. And you might knock it back to $2 and $2, for instance, but then you might also want to run a specific campaign around those online courses, and do the same sort of thing as you do it as awareness and traffic to book that particular course. Yeah. All right.
What I've got next Tuesday afternoon.
Yeah. Should we sort of go for the same sort of time? Should we say, just maybe at 2:30? 2:30, Mel, and we'll, as I said, in between time, I'll create a post for you to have a look at.
Yeah.
Well, I'll have posted it by then, to be honest. Maybe what I'll do is I'll flip around what I've got posted at the moment to go out on Monday, and I'll change that around. And then I'll create this ad instead, as in a post that can be used for an ad. So, yeah.
Yeah, maybe some of those videos with the babies and stuff, as you said.
Yeah, I think that's the best way to go, is to do it as a I might even do it as a Canva tile, but use a video and animation sort of thing. So we'll see how we go. I'll work it out. But you're right, because of the nature of what you've got, just using a video might be the best one. All right.
Awesome.
Okay. Well, I feel like kind of today, despite it's all a bit higgledy-piggledy, at least what we've done today suggests at least we're going to be able to fully test things, so that's good. So that's the positive sign. All right. Cool.
All right. Awesome. Thanks so much.
Mel.
I'll speak to you next week.
Will do. Cheers.
Bye.
See ya.